What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and today you got a twofer. I say that because the cocktail that we're creating today, not that we're creating, the cocktail that we're making today, is both an old-fashioned and a nightcap. And I know that you guys think that I might have forgot about my nightcap series, but I haven't. I haven't done a nightcap in a while. I wanted to do a nightcap today. Some of you that have been watching my channel for a long time know that I've been doing a little deep dive into Kara Newman's book, Nightcap, More Than 40 Cocktails to Close Out Any Evening. One of my own cocktails was featured in the book. I decided to do basically just bartend our way through the entire thing and do like a real deep dive on it. I think it's a great book, and you guys should all go get it. There is a link below for you. This cocktail that we're doing today, Old-Fashioned Variation and Nightcap, was created by Vincent Chirico at the Raines Law Room at the William Hotel in New York City. And it is supposed to be an awesome drink. Let's get into it. I am going to do 4 drops of Mole bitters from Bittermans. Just like, and then we're going, luckily it was right there. You forgot something. I knew you would. All right. We're going to do 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. You want to use grade B or previously grade B maple syrup. The reason why you want to use this, I did it totally the wrong label out, but now you know the nutrition facts if you want, is because it is syrup that has been taken out of the tree much later it's been like harvested much later in the season, and it's a lot more flavorful. Then we're going to be doing 1/4 ounce coffee liqueur, and then 2 ounces of Reposado Tequila. We are gonna add our rock of ice in there. And if your ice doesn't fit, that's okay, because you can stir it into the cocktail and stir it down. It will fit eventually. There we go. It's looking like it's getting chilled. There we have it. And we're just gonna pull off our orange peel. You can also get like a channel knife and do like a little twist if you want. I want to make sure we get a lot of that oil on this cocktail, so I'm doing like a nice full peel. And there we have it, the Sable, my friends. Let's take a sip. Oh yeah, that can close out any of my evenings, I'll tell you that. It is like sweet in all the best way. It's coffee forward, so it feels like the end of the night or the beginning of the day if you're rolling your night into your day. Like if you've just been out all night and you're just like, this is my hair of the dog. Those nice orange notes. The Reposado Tequila just plays so well. You get a lot of those kind of, let's say like kind of, barrel notes in there. I'm getting like a little bit of vanilla, a little Australian leather. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not getting Australian leather. That's great. There you go. So anyway, guys, I got a little bit weird at the tasting notes there. I think you'll really enjoy this drink. It is a good one to close out your evening. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe, and check us out on Patreon. At patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. And if you're wondering about all this lovely equipment, I get a lot of people asking me lately where I get all my equipment. Where do you get all your equipment? Where do you get all your equipment? And I just want to let you know, just officially, if you look in the show notes, even if you don't want to read the history that I put there, I link every piece of gear in the show notes to a store that you can buy it at. Everything that I use is from my channel sponsor, Barfly Mixology Gear. I also want to state that Barfly Mixology Gear is not my own gear. Barfly Mixology Gear is their own company. A lot of people, it's funny because a lot of people have been asking me like, oh, you're manufacturing your own gear, but I'm actually not. The story is that I was doing this channel and I happened upon some of this Barfly Mixology gear at a friend's bar, and I started using it, and I thought it was such good quality. I asked them what it was. I noticed the name was Barfly. I was like, hey, I'm the Educated Barfly. I sent them an email. I said, do you want to sponsor our channel? They said, we would love to sponsor your channel, and that's how that happened. They make really high quality gear. I think that you guys should go check them out. There is a link to their website below. Please check them out, and I will see you on the next cocktail tutorial. Have fun and happy drinking, and drink responsibly.